I just got this new wig from AliExpress, but this is my first review. Here's the package. It just came in today. First of all, I was expecting like a better I don't know why, but I was expecting a better package than this. Let's see though, okay? So this is my first initial review of the wig. Okay, look, I'm disappointed because it didn't come with anything. You know, usually it comes with like a wig cap, maybe that little deodorant like flyaway thing, or you know, it came with nothing. It came with nothing. This is it. So, all right, look, I just opened the bag, okay? I just opened the bag. So, here we go. It's supposed to be transparent lace. First of all, before we even get deep into this, let me give a disclaimer. I am not a professional, okay? I just know things from Instagram and YouTube. I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous right now. Here's the wig. You know, I had some shed here just a little second ago, but you know, that's okay. So far, so good. I see a little bit of frizzing at the ends, but that's not bad. All right, so let's see on the inside. So it comes with, you know, the 4 combs and the original elastic, like most wigs always come with. So that's that. So here's the hair. Okay, wig cap is on. So first and foremost, I'm gonna adjust the straps because I like it tight. You know, this ain't going nowhere. I really want to get this, I can't remember what the shit is called, but it's like the silicone, like rubber type band, and all you do, instead of having to use like, you know, gel and bond and all of that, all you have to do is put the headband over your head and you slide the wig on and it literally stays on. I found it on Instagram and I'm gonna order one and I'm gonna do a review on it. I think it was like 35 bucks. I'm gonna get one day and I'm gonna let y'all know how that shit work, alright? Because I'm not gonna lie, I really don't like to have my wigs on for more than like 2 days tops. That shit gets irritating to me. And so I don't really like to glue it down and gel it down and all the extra shit. All I want is for it to stay. So I do put some glue down and then I like do the edges and that's it. Y'all gonna see. But anyways, let's put this wig on. I feel like I should oh sis. I feel like I should have washed it first. Like, I just don't be feeling right not washing my wig. This is annoying. Y'all bitches be doing this all the motherfucking time. How, sis? And why, sis? Because this shit is aggravating. Whoo, I gotta take my earrings. I'm over here sweating and shit. Do you know how hot it is outside? And I'm over here playing with a goddamn wig. Lord have mercy. I thought I was about to get up in here and slay this bitch. Oh, sis, you thought. Okay, let's cut this lace. Lord have mercy, y'all. Please pray for me. Please, y'all. Let's pause the video, okay? Time out. Press pause. Y'all say a quick little 10-second prayer for me that I slay this motherfucking wig. Please. Okay, here we go, y'all. I'm nervous. I think it's centered. Please be centered. Okay. It looks bitch.
Don't face these niggas till you're 43. I gotta go get my mama.
Okay, so my first initial is the hair is really soft. It's pretty. It looks like it can be my own, and that's what I always go for when I get a wig, usually. Because I don't really like all the extra shit. But here it is. It's 12 inches. I think it's Wigirl or Me Girl on AliExpress. It's Malaysian hair, 12 inches. So here's the back. Really cute. Here it is. Okay, here is the back. Okay. In the front. It's cute. Yeah, so there we go. When I fix it, it will be like that. Cause I gotta fix the ear, but that's the only so far, that's the only thing that I do not like about this wig is that the ear part, it was weird. Like I have to cut a lot of it off. So that's weird. And then also the smell, it doesn't stink. It does not stink, y'all. It really don't stink. I just don't like that it smells like synthetic hair. So is it real human hair, AliExpress, Wigirl, Me Girl, whatever the fuck your company is called, or is it synthetic? What is it? Is it real human hair?
Let me get off this damn thing and go get my mama. Alright, peace out, y'all. Here with her hair. It's fucking cute.
What Megan say? Hot girl summer all 2019, bitch. Ah. I got a whole man, a whole husband. I can still be a hot girl, all right? I don't know what that was. All right, I gotta go. Y'all, please pray for me that it's not 3 o'clock when I turn this phone off. I gotta go get my mama. Peace out, y'all.